How do you feel when you just make millions of money when you're demo trading, but when you just go to the real account, you always blow that? Some people say that the account is manipulated. Some people say the broker manipulated the account and all that. But have you ever actually asked yourself whether maybe it is the problem is about you or whether it is about the broker? So that is the topic we're just going to be talking about today. And if this is your first time to be over here, always make sure that you subscribe and like this video. This is just going to be a very amazing topic, as a beginner. It's not only for the beginners. I will actually just demo trend, and demo trading can just be happening to everyone. I also demo trend sometimes when I just want to test the strategy that I just want to implement over there. I have to demo trend. And sometimes you can be out of the market and just want to demo trend and test something, and that is for everyone. And there are some mistakes actually we just be making over there that we're just going to be talking here today. Make sure that you subscribe as I've said, and if you have any question, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below. So let's just start right now. Now, one of the things that you just be missing over there when you just demo trading is the mistakes that we just make is because of the amount of money that you are just being given over there. Do you know, for example, let's say you are using the FXPesa, you are being given $10,000, $100,000, and then you just go and trade with that amount of money. That is the first mistake you make. The first mistake you make is to go and trade with account that is $10,000. And at the moment you just go to recharge, then you're just going to do that. You're just going to trade with maybe $100 and all that. But remember, your capital was $10,000. So that is the mistake number one that you just make. How can you resolve that? It's very easy. You just have to do it. For those who, I'm just talking to those who maybe you're using FXPesa because I've done that. So just go to your demo account where you see the demo account, and then you see those three dots over there, and click that, and you see somewhere written reset balance. Then you just have to reset balance. If you know you're going to deposit $100 or $200 or $300, $500, make sure that you just adjust to account that is $500 over there, and then you can just log out or from MT4 and then log in again, and then your account balance will just be reset to $250. Then if you are using the strategy anytime you just use any strategy, you can just be using that one. The second mistake that we just make over here is because we use when you have that large account, you just tend to use very big lot size. Some people can just go there and then they just use that lot size of 2.0. there is some use 10 because they just have that big account. So the first thing that you're just going to be making over here is to make sure actually you check on the lot size that you just be using. Everything that you just be doing on the live account, do it to the demo account. That is the simple thing I can just say over there. For example, if your lot size, you just know you just be using like 0.2, 0.02, 0.01. Make sure that that is what you use, okay? And don't open so many positions, the ones that you cannot open on the real account. Do everything when it comes to lot size, and whatever you arrange it just like the real account. The third mistake that we actually make when it comes to demo trading over there is actually we don't check, we don't analyze well, because this is not the real money. We don't tend to analyze the market so well. Sometimes we can just ignore the news, because it is just the demo trading. There's no feeling you're just going to feel out of there. The news are just coming over there, like today is on Thursday, and at 2 p.m. East African time, we're just going to be having GBP, that is the Bank of England, announcing the interest rate hike, and soon after that minute, the bank president will just be talking, and will just be looking towards to hear whether there's going to be a future interest hike. And those are the things that you have to be checking. Even if I'm demo trending, I have to take the note of everything that I'm just going to be looking over there. Even if it is technical analysis, I have to take hours time and analyze. When it comes to demo trending, so many people, what they just do is to just check the market, and then they just enter into the market, and just like that. When they lose money, they just go and reset account to get those $10,000 account again. So all you can just make sure that you do is actually to just be going and do that, and it's just going to be helping you so very much. Make sure that you analyze the news, you check what is happening. You cannot be an expert of the news, but actually you can just be checking to know what is happening, so that you can just mostly of the time avoid those trends when you have those trends going. The third thing I'm just going to be talking over here, which is very important as well, is actually how the psychology actually affect us on when we are trading on the demo account. Sometimes you can be there on the demo trading account all the time, and you don't want to advance on that, and it's just going to have those effects on you. So the thing you can just do over here is to make sure, as long you are trading on the demo account, you don't dwell that over there so much and stay there for the longest time. Okay, you can as well try with a real amount of money, so that you can just know how to control what we call emotions. You just know how to control the psychology. When it comes to real amount of money, when you demo trading, sometimes you cannot feel anything. Sometimes you just trade but you don't feel anything. So how can this help us is to just try you deposit at least some amount of money that you can just afford to lose, but don't risk so much, and it's just going to be helping you over there, so that you can just know how to control your emotions. And it's just very easy to just do that. Combine everything, and you are just demo trading. But the simple thing I'm just saying over here, whatever you're just going to do on the demo trading, the moment you just understand and adjust that balance, do absolutely everything that you could have done over there. So if you're struggling maybe to follow everything that you're just going to be doing on the real account, just know there's somewhere you just have to adjust, especially when it comes to the discipline, because discipline is actually everything when it comes to that. So I hope this video has just been of help to you, and make sure that you just follow everything I've just been talking over here. That is the question I always receive, and I always find people making a lot of mistake over there, because people make millions over here, but when it comes to reality, people lose a lot of money. Just try that, and maybe you can just try it for the 1 week and go to the real account, and then after one, just come and tell me whether it just work. If it didn't work, just uniambie I was talking in scams things, but that is the reality. If you just follow that, you're going to see the result. So for those who just want to know the broker that you just want to use, you can use the FXPesa. It's just down on over there, and then after opening an account, you can just WhatsApp me, so that I can just hand you to the rest of the team, where we just keep free update of the market analysis, so that you can just have a good place to enter. And also we always get sometimes free classes that will just be helping you to sharpen your skills towards forex trading. I'm being your whatever trainer here, Dan Tech. See you next time. Bye bye. Peace.